master simple ballroom dancing. The pumpkin just turned into a carriage, your glass slippers look fantastic, and the prince is on his way. But damn it, you still need to learn how to ballroom dance. You will need a partner, a dance floor, masking tape, and waltz music. Optional, breath freshener. Step 1. While belly dancing and ballet can be done solo, ballroom dancing is always done in pairs. Ask a friend to help you out. Step 2. Perfect your posture. Unlike casual dancing, a ballroom dancer doesn't slouch or lean on their partner. Both the man and the woman must elongate their neck and body. Practice correct posture by standing straight against a wall. Step 3. Look over each other's right shoulder. Now imagine you're the most beautiful person on earth who has just met the other most beautiful person on earth. What's that feel like? Exactly. Keep that expression throughout the dance. Step 4. Hold hands correctly. This means the man's raised left hand holds the woman's right hand, palms facing each other. The man's right hand connects with the woman's shoulder blade. His hand should be cupped, fingers together. The woman's left hand should be on the man's right shoulder, her fingers at the seam of his sleeve. Step 5. Having the perfect closed dance hold means the woman is just slightly to the right of the man. This way, the legs move between each other and the knees don't hit. When the couple is a man and a woman, the man generally takes the lead. In couples with just one sex, a decision will have to be made. Step 6. Now that you have the basic positioning, learn the basic waltz box step, the most common step in ballroom dances like the rumba, waltz, or foxtrot. Start by taping out a small box on the floor. Step 7. Practice counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This will be the essential timing, and the sooner it feels natural, the better. Step 8. Practice alone making a box with your feet. To make the first half of the box, step forward with your left foot, which is 1, and slide your right foot to meet it, and then step to the right, 2. Your weight now shifts to the right foot, so your left slides to meet it, 3. Step 9. Now finish the box. Step back with your right foot, 1, and slide your left to meet it, and then to the left, 2. Your weight now shifts to the left foot, so your right slides to meet it, 3. If you're in the women's role, you will step backward to start. Step 10. Now put it together, doing the box step by yourself in time to your 1, 2, 3 counting. Step 11. Now practice with a partner. Count off 5, 6, 7, 8 before you begin, so you'll both be prepared to start together on 1. Dancing is a close contact sport. Make sure your breath is okay before you start. Use a breath freshener. Step 12. After you feel comfortable with the box step, forget confining yourself strictly to the box and let yourself move more naturally around the floor. Step 13. Once you're able to loosen up while keeping time with the beat, try turning. Turn slightly to the right as you step on 1 and 2. You'll begin traveling in a circle as you keep your basic box pattern. Step 14. Remember to maintain your posture at all times, keeping your connection points. Stand up straight, Quasimodo. Good ballroom dancers never slouch or disconnect. Step 15. Now that you know how to do a basic waltz box step, practice every chance you get. This is just the beginning. Get out there and dance, dance, dance. Did you know? Waltz comes from the German word waltzen, which means to turn or roll.
How to swing dance. Learn the basics of the big band era and get ready for a jazzy night on the town. You will need a dance partner, a sense of humor, and endurance. Step 1. Get used to the rhythm you'll be dancing to by counting it out loud. The beat for basic swing dancing sounds like this: 1 a 2, 1 a 2, 1 2, 1 a 2, 1 a 2, 1 2. Step 2. Swing is traditionally danced by a man and woman team. Decide who'll be your gent and who'll be your lady. Stand facing each other in open position. Open position means standing and facing your partner, maintaining some space between the two of you, and holding one or both hands. Step 3. You and your partner will always be dancing the same steps on the opposite feet. Basically, you'll be each other's mirror image. Step 4. On the first 1 a 2, the man does a left right left step to his left side. The woman steps right left right to her right. Step 5. On the second 1 a 2, the man does a right left right step to his right, back to starting position. The woman steps left right left to her left. Step 6. On the 1, the man steps back and away on his left foot, while the woman does the same on her right foot. Step 7. On the 2, both partners shift their weight to the other foot. Step 8. Throw on an old swing hit and practice until you know the sequence by heart. Step 9. Swing is a fun, upbeat dance, so keep up that energy and have a blast. Did you know the swing dance known as the Lindy Hop derived its name from Charles Lindbergh's famed solo flight, or hop, across the Atlantic? How to twirl a woman while dancing. Follow these steps to twirl your dance partner and sweep her off her feet. You will need a partner and music. Step 1. Dance casually with your partner to get into a rhythm. Maintain eye contact to help lead her into the twirl. Step 2. Lift your left arm slightly to your partner's right to guide her under your arm. Keep your hands centered above her head as she does a 3/4 turn to her right. Resist the temptation to force your partner to turn. Keep your hands centered above her head and hold her fingers lightly. Step 3. Move around your partner a 1/4 turn to your left so you're facing her at the end of her turn. At the same time, lower your right arm gently to signal the end of the turn and draw her in. Avoid bringing your arm down too quickly or snapping your partner in. Gentler is better. Step 4. Lift your left arm again, moving it slightly to your partner's left in front of her face to signal her to turn toward her left. As she makes a 3/4 turn to her left, move to your right and lower your arm. Step 5. Practice with music with various beats, since rhythm and speed will affect the timing of the turns. Practice dancing before and after the turns to ensure smooth transitions. Then, go fill your dance card. Did you know the jitterbug originated in 1920s Harlem, but gained national popularity in the 1950s on the television show American Bandstand?
How to dance New York-style salsa. Salsa is a popular Latin dance, but there are many styles. These steps will walk you through New York-style salsa. You will need salsa music, a partner, and grace. Optional, comfortable clothes. Step 1. Play salsa music and listen to the timing of the music. Count the beats. 1, 2, 3, pause, 5, 6, 7. Wearing comfortable clothing will help you move easier when dancing. Step 2. Get into position. The leader, typically the man, takes the woman's right hand with his left and places his right hand on her back. She places her left hand on his shoulder. Step 3. Take a small step forward with your right foot on the first beat, or 1, and then break forward by taking a large step with the left foot on the second beat, 2. The woman mirrors the movement. New York-style salsa is also called on-2 style because of the foot pattern. Step 4. Rock back on your right foot on 3, and then hold for a beat. Step back with your left foot on 5. Step 5. Break back with your right foot on 6. Shift weight onto your left foot on 7. Hold, then step your right foot forward again on 1. Step 6. Add style to the dance by incorporating turns and arm movements. New York style is known for its elegance and natural flow. Did you know? Every Labor Day weekend, New York City hosts the New York International Salsa Congress, a celebration of Latin dance and music.
How to dip a woman while dancing. Dipping a woman is a great way to impress your peers on the dance floor. These steps will show you how to do it with style. You will need a partner, a dance floor, music, and balance. Step 1. Ask someone to dance and head out to the dance floor. Step 2. Signal your partner that you're going to dip her by placing your hand on her upper back and gently lowering her backward. If your partner resists by keeping upright, don't force it. Step 3. Check the area before you completely lower your partner to make sure it's safe. Step 4. Keep your legs apart at hip width. Bring one leg forward and bend it to maintain balance as you lower your partner further back. Step 5. Maintain your position as you support her in the dip. Resist the urge to bend forward so that you're leaning over her. You both may fall. Step 6. Bring her back up gently, and don't forget to thank her for the dance. Did you know ballroom dances like the tango, Lindy Hop, and salsa all use some form of a dip?
How to dance a polka. When you do the polka enough, you'll understand why it's associated with fun, out-of-control wedding receptions. You'll need a partner, dancing shoes, a ballroom or beer hall, and music. Optional, dance lessons and CDs. Step 1. Stand with your feet together, knees relaxed. If you're the man, hold the woman along her back with your right arm. If you're the woman, rest your left arm along the man's back, pressing your extended hands together. Step 2. Step to your left if you're the man. If you're the woman, step to your right. Each person hops the second step with their opposite foot, the other just coming off the floor. Then, bring your feet down next to each other. Step 3. Draw your partner back with you as you reverse the step with a right and then a right side hop, setting the left foot down. Take lessons or buy some CDs to get the rhythm down before trying. Step 4. Turn out slightly by hopping out on your left if you're the man and spinning yourself 180 degrees. The woman follows, hopping instead on her right. Step 5. Swing the woman around with you as you hop back now with the right, finishing a circle and bring her around to starting position as you set both feet down, side by side again. Step 6. Start the steps all over again as you wheel around the floor, hopping on the first notes of each phrase. Remain in sync with the music on each step. These steps convert nicely to country western standards. Step 7. Put in additional steps wherever you choose as you feel more comfortable. The polka is about letting loose and having fun. Did you know? The word polka is Polish for Polish woman.
How to cha-cha. Even if you've got 2 left feet, you'll look like a dance champ when you master this simple, sassy take on salsa. You will need a dance partner and patience. Optional, the ability to laugh at yourself. Step 1. Label yourselves partner A and partner B. A should face B with his left arm up at a 45-degree angle and his right hand in the middle of B's back. B should face A with her right arm held up against A's left and her left hand resting on A's right arm. Traditionally, A's steps are performed by a man and B's steps are performed by a woman. Step 2. The cha-cha has its own rhythm. Before putting your moves into action, you must learn the beat. The count is 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, cha-cha. This can also be counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and... Step 3. A and B's steps will always mirror each other. So if you get lost, watch what your partner is doing and pretend you're looking at your reflection. Step 4. On the 1 count, A's right foot and B's left foot step to the side. Step 5. On the 2 count, A rock steps forward with the left foot and B rock steps back with the right foot. To do a rock step, simply step and shift your weight onto that foot. Then, without moving your foot, shift your weight back to your original foot. Step 6. On the 3 count, A shifts his weight to the right foot and B shifts her weight to the left foot. Step 7. On the 4 and 1 count, A steps to the side and executes a quick left-right-left change of feet. B steps to the side and executes a quick right-left-right change of feet. 4 and 1 can be counted as cha-cha 1. Step 8. On the next 2 count, A rock steps backward with the right foot and B rock steps forward with the left foot. Step 9. On the 3 count, A shifts his weight to the left foot and B shifts her weight to the right foot. Step 10. On the 4 and 1 count, A steps to the side and executes a quick right-left-right change of feet. B steps to the side and executes a quick left-right-left change of feet. Step 11. Once you've practiced this sequence to the music and you feel a little more comfortable, have fun with it. Add a little extra hip action and throw in some sass. Did you know the cha-cha, which became wildly popular in the 1950s, is a slowed-down cousin of the mambo?